Now we will study the activity 13.1 to show the magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, so let us see this activity 13.1. Okay, so in this activity what we have done, we have taken a thick copper wire. Okay, so thick copper wire is taken. So let us first take the horizontal or plain cardboard ABCD. Okay, so here is a cardboard, rectangular cardboard, which is kept horizontally. It is named as ABCD. Okay, so this is horizontal plain cardboard. Okay, or cardboard that is kept horizontally. So this is rectangular cardboard, and white paper is stick on that cardboard. Okay, then what we will do, we will take a thick copper wire which is passing through the center of the cardboard. Okay, so thick copper wire is taken which is passing through this horizontally kept rectangular cardboard ABCD, and this horizontal or this thick copper wire is passing through the center of the cardboard. Okay, so this is thick copper wire. Okay, so this thick copper wire is passing through the center of the cardboard. This copper wire is perpendicular to this cardboard. Okay, let us suppose this is cardboard, then this copper wire is passing through the center and perpendicular to the plane of the cardboard. Okay, now this thick copper wire is kept between the points, 2 points, that is capital X and capital Y. Okay, so there is a 2 points, capital X and capital Y. Between that 2 points, this horizontal copper wire is kept. Okay, then the circuit is connected like this. So here is resistor capital R, then here is a ammeter capital A, then we connect a battery in the circuit, that is capital E. This is positive terminal of the battery, this is negative terminal of the battery. This is positive terminal and this is negative terminal of the battery, capital E. Okay, then here is a plug key which is denoted by the letter capital K. This plug key is used for the switch on or switch off the current supply through the circuit. Okay, in this way this circuit is completed. Do you know that direction of the current flowing through the circuit is from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery. So this is passing through the resistor capital R, then passing through this thick copper wire which is kept between the points capital X and capital Y. So this is the direction of the current flowing through the circuit, right? So in this circuit, first we have taken the horizontal rectangular cardboard ABCD. On that cardboard, a white plain sheet is stick, okay, and this thick metallic copper wire is passing through the center of the cardboard and which is perpendicular to the cardboard, okay. So in this activity, what we will do, we will pass the current through the circuit, okay. Then one more thing we will put a compass needle horizontally on the rectangular cardboard ABCD, okay. One compass needle or one compass, magnetic compass is kept horizontally on the cardboard ABCD, okay. Now what we will do, so this is the activity, okay. Are you getting or are you understanding what we have done? इसमें क्या क्या है, हमने एमीटर के डायरेक्शन कैसे रहेंगे, this is positive and this is negative terminal of the ammeter. Ammeter, what is the function of ammeter? It is used to measuring the current flowing through the circuit. So this is the activity. How this activity is performed to show the magnetic effect of electric current. Okay? अभी हमने पढ़ा है कि मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट क्या है. जब भी किसी कंडक्टर में करंट पास होता है, देन वो कंडक्टर कैसे बिहेव करता है, किसी मैग्नेट की तरह वो बिहेव करता है. दैट व्हेनेवर एनी करंट इज पासिंग थ्रू द कंडक्टर और मेटेलिक वायर, दैट मेटेलिक वायर इज एक्टिंग लाइक अ मैग्नेट. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. ओके, सो दिस एक्टिविटी में हमने क्या किया है, थिक कॉपर वायर लिए और वो कॉपर वायर को हमने दो पॉइंट्स में फिक्स किया है इन द सर्किट में. पॉइंट्स कैपिटल X एंड पॉइंट्स कैपिटल Y. और वो वायर क्या किए हमने, परपेंडिकुलर इन द सेंटर ऑफ दी दैट रेक्टेंगुलर कार्डबोर्ड ABCD से उसमें हमने क्या किया है, उस वायर को पास किया है. ओके, और वो कार्डबोर्ड जो है हॉरिजॉन्टल रेक्टेंगुलर कार्डबोर्ड, वहां पे हमने क्या रखा है, उस थिक कॉपर वायर के पास में नियर टू दैट थिक कॉपर वायर वी हैव केप्ट ए मैग्नेटिक कंपास. व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक कंपास? It detects the presence of magnetic field. If there is a magnetic field, then there is a deflection in the magnetic compass, okay, or magnetic needle. So this is the activity. Okay, so what are the conclusions from this activity? We can conclude from this activity that whenever there is a, or इस एक्टिविटी में हमने क्या करना है, बिफोर पासिंग द करंट थ्रू द सर्किट, जब सर्किट में कोई करंट नहीं है और देयर इज नो करंट फ्लोइंग थ्रू द सर्किट, तब हमने क्या करना है, इस मैग्नेटिक नीडल की पोजीशन हमने नोटिस करना है. वी हैव टू नोटिस द पोजीशन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक कंपास बिफोर passing the current, or there is no current in the circuit, then notice the position of the magnetic compass. Then insert the plug key. Then whenever we insert the plug key, then there will be the flow of the current through the circuit, and this current will also pass through this thick copper wire. Then this thick copper wire, whenever there is a current passing through the wire, then also notice the deflection of the magnetic field. Okay, what we have to do in this activity, we have to perform this activity, we have to notice deflection of the magnetic compass needle before passing the current through the circuit, and also notice the deflection of the magnetic needle after passing the current through the circuit. Okay, so this is your activity. Then what we can conclude? Conclusions from this activity. So what are the conclusions in the, or what we can conclude from this activity? That this current carrying wire, this thick current carrying copper wire produces magnetic field. This thick current carrying copper wire produces magnetic field in its surrounding. Okay, due to which magnetic compass shows the deflection. Okay, whenever there is a current passing through the thick copper wire, then that produces the magnetic field in its surrounding, and due to which magnetic compass shows the deflection. So this effect is called as the magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, here the thick copper wire is acting like a magnet, due to which this magnetic compass shows the deflection. So this we can name as metallic wire. This is compass or magnetic needle. Okay, right? So this effect of producing magnetic field in the surrounding of current carrying wire is called as magnetic effect of electric current. इस एक्टिविटी से हम कैसे समझ सकते हैं? Before passing the current, let us notice the deflection of the compass needle. Then after passing the current through the circuit, also notice the deflection in the compass needle. Then that deflection before passing the current and after passing the current shows that there is a presence of magnetic field. But this magnetic field is not due to any magnet. This magnetic field is produced by this thick current carrying copper wire. Okay, so this effect of producing magnetic field by the current carrying wire is called as magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, so this current carrying wire is acting like a magnet. Okay, so this is called as magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, so current carrying wire can act like a magnet. Then its reverse is also possible. Okay, so what can be a reverse condition? That change in the magnetic field can also produce the electric current. Okay, what is reverse condition? Reverse condition is change in the magnetic field or magnetic field can also produce the electric current. This is called as electric effect of magnetic field. Electric effect of magnetic field. Okay, from this activity we can see that, or we can conclude that current carrying wire produces the magnetic field, or current carrying wire, this thick copper wire which is kept between the 2 points capital X and capital Y, is acting like a magnet. Okay, that is, magnetic field and electric field are not independent, but they are related to each other. Okay, then we will study what is electromagnetic